In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change section background in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Website and click on it. This will open the Website Builder, where you can make visual changes to your site in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. After the editor loads, the next thing you need to do is add a section. To do that, click Add Section. This is useful if you want to create a new area on your page and customize its background separately from the rest of your website. When the section options appear, choose the blank section. A blank section gives you a clean starting point, so it's easier to apply the exact background style you want without extra design elements already in place. Once your blank section has been added, click on Edit Section. This is where you'll find the settings that control how that specific section looks. Inside the section settings, locate the background option. This is the key area for customizing the appearance of the section. In the background settings, you'll see that you can change the background to a color, an image, or a video. If you want something simple and clean, choosing a solid color is a great option. This works especially well for professional or minimal websites. If you want the section to feel more visually engaging, you can choose an image instead. Just select the image option and upload the image you want to use. Make sure the image is clear and high quality so it looks good across different screen sizes. You also have the option to use a video background. This can create a more dynamic and modern look, especially for homepage sections or attention-grabbing parts of your site. If you decide to use a video, make sure it fits the style of your website and does not distract from your text or other content placed on top of it. Simply select the background type you prefer, then add your chosen image or video if needed. Take a moment to preview how it looks in the section and make sure everything is easy to read and visually balanced. Once you're happy with the result, click Update Website to save your changes and make them live. And that's how to change a section background in Hostinger Website Builder.